Hello everybody and welcome here. Today I'm sharing my gouache experience. If you're familiar with what I have done so far, you know I'm more an oil pastel person, but I wanted to give gouache a try. So now I will show you drawings I made before the drawing of the day so you can see the evolution. Note that the paint I was using at the time wasn't the Ime gouache but a poor quality, low pigmented one. Okay, so the first one, I unfortunately gave up halfway. It could have been better, so note that as a lesson. And when I saw that afterwards, I felt a little bit sad, but yeah. Normally I go back on every detail until I like the drawing, but I didn't do it for this one. This one is better, but also more simple in the composition. I decided to go to something more simple to kind of start over, and I think this one is cool. I initially didn't plan such moody colors, but I was and still am figuring everything out. I'm still working on those gouache colors, mixing everything and having the right color. I think you get the idea of this one, but it's lacking something and I still don't know what it is. Is it in the colors? In the depth? Okay, so the last one. It's cute, I really like it. The only thing is, maybe I went on too much with the light on the wave, but I still like it. I had to go back twice on the sky, the clouds, and the mountains on the background, but I think it's because of the low quality paint. So now let's go back with today's drawing. Thanks a lot for watching. For more, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like and comment. Bye, see you next time.